Abaturo mu cyaro cya Kanyarubonga omugombora ya Kirembo mu district ya Kasese bagwirirwa kagwe bwanyuma yo kushanga umutura mutahi wabo Fodoric Muhindo uw'imyaka 20 y'obukuru aitiirwe mu dansi y'obugyenyi bwa Ronald Bwambale.
Early in the morning I received a call from my neighbor called Mama Rolin. She told me that Muhindo, where are you? I told him I'm at home. Please, your boy is already here dead. They have killed him through the knife. Then after that, I told the neighbor that all people were around, we reached in the playground. After reaching there, the boy, we find him dead already.
Okurigera hari kesi chikenge ori chairman w'entebe yo kubanza w'ecyaro cya Kanyarubonga nagera ngo bugenyi buhwirisha hanki 11 zomwe abaziwo konka bagumizamo na no kugira ngo abantu abine by'emishuburo babitware yo babiguze ahi bagumize mu na dance okusyo mu Kasese.
The function I had ended at around 5 when it was still early, but unfortunately I'm told the organizers of the function made another arrangement that those who have business around collected some money and agreed that they go on as they were selling their small items.
As leaders, we made a resolution that we should not have discourse, especially in open places. The reason was when discos are played in open places, even though we have security, but no one will be able to check those who are coming.
Okurigera haru kumbusa oriyo mushuganisa wa police hamwe n'abantu ba burijo ahwe cyanga cya Rwenzori East yahamya makuraga.
We received a report that unidentified thugs killed Muhindo Frederick is 20 years old, boy and a resident of Katiri village in Vulembia village. The deceased has been staying with the stepfather, identified as Frogesio Mumbaye.
Mbusa nagira ngo police batandikire kucondoza ecyakubasa kubacurugirire ho kwitwa ko mugenzi abina zaba bagumize mu bacumetana munywano wo mugenzi bisyo byahanda kandi ogwara munatungo bujanja bahirwa rya Kirembe Mines Hospital muri Kasese amakuru agagasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.